They call me Eugene. Oh, yeah, yeah. You are the reason why I am still alive. So I depend on you so I can survive. I promise sake of you, I'll go change my life. My baby, wait for me, I will soon arrive. Me want a many aje, me want a many aje. Full of confusion, so I go do anything for your love. Oh. Me want a many aje, would you add a beje? Sawa ma, me want. Oh, my baby, baby, you killing me softly. Oh, my baby, my baby.
Okay, Mikal, you have a good voice. You have a powerful voice.
You know the name, right? EFYA. When the morning shines, sweeps across my room as I waking from another dream of you. You be staring at me, giving me a kiss and honey, play me a song, super melody. Maybe some of us are the Benny. Wait, yeah, me a chadia. You came along when I was nobody, nobody. Then show me how to be somebody, somebody. Hey, Baba, Eva, Shiba, oh, I go down with you, Kemo Babo. Free so guarantee, oh, my love, my love, my love. You bring out the best in me. You bring out the best in me.
Okay. Okay, Gladys, I think.
Chisaka my dance yom na me to me dance all day. Chisaka my dance yom na to me dance all day. Akumai Joe, Akumai Joe, Akumai Joe all day. Never my do yet tumpon. Akumai Joe, Akumai Joe, Akumai Joe no day. Never my dear tumpon. Come in candy and co see it. Okay, I'll see him. Abrams Romani Basso. As I don't wash it down, I hope I said, would you first? That's some many abro. We are brave. Let me frame from Kumasi. Auntie, I want to go to the instrument. My mother is not allowing me to go to the instrument. Auntie, I'm so I'm a fool. Me who be a costume. And Shroma Adum TV. Yes, right. Much level power. Yes, right. Because oh, said yes, it be a bad idea. But don't look, well, you know, I say, I agent, honey, idea. What is it all about? Ansa na ebeko so ma menchia ahwefo eni adum TV adofo nyina so me ba ha chekakra me ba so so nam de asem ena eba what is nsempa ye wa azoye nti me ba nam de azoye na eba nsoma eye dwumedi aye adum TV ya hyehye enche bia ye de be hyehye so ama ahwefo ye frase ye kra de ya frase ya auditions na wie na nsoma ye na kind of reality show, music talent reality show for Inkola. You say catch them young. Children are the future. Of course. Inti no so pese bibi tu mpon wa. Na se bibi ye year odi ufrase Inkola mo frem mu a. About the time on benyi no na say akokwa no na ti no. Yes, charity begins at home. Enti Jumedie ye nim say anyum to our Ghana and I say the music industry no very big. Na ebedu baby na call down kakra because of certain and a high life so here said ye dey call no but certain circumstances binti no ma music industry ni shake kakra but nyame cha de recently aba etimi pejano but Ghana de ye come music or Ghana high life and one high life enti Adum TV ya wazo ye enti no na ye nso so de ye aye ya adwin say your culture any your tradition any ade bi a ye Ghana bia na ebe pagya na ye kura mu yie enti say ebe ye sa ade na say am sika he fa na ebe start
aya nkwala
ni mu a nti ye de hyehyɛ so ye idea ne ba ye de hyehyɛ so ana ye start auditions
ye frase fikumase
ye fiase kufa ekoyie pa nana onze awosin kura gume ye promo no na me hwe promo na me ameti eche me say promo ya se nkola no mo saduduro ase nkola no o meka se boy broni dudu mo nka se ye be ye Celine Dion ne Michael Jackson no ne ma the promo really communicates what we want to do. That was my worry na me say nkola de mo ye sharp ti ye hwe de ebisi ti e du Kumase no first participant
onyume no de bai
dada kedi nyumbi odo a shemi odo ye wu kasa na akola ni bejina ho no na asopopo kakra nti akwaboa no any Morris busan say aden unni akukudosi me wa akukudro pa eh wa na mate shock na me say ye hwe de obeya so Dada Kedi indigenous high life music
yeah Dada
Kedi na otu west no me say ma tinyum na tinyum me nim west no akola ne to west no na me who say we are on the right track ehwa na me say mfa Eradi das
amamre ne tradition
eradi das akola na
any etiba western region
yetiba western region kana na kankan na Accra na me so kakra say bia ye beba no na abrofo semini ne raga ne ede be nti no ebe ye din kakra ye ba Accra no nkola eba ye over 500 children
kola nyira
local real Ghanaian music em say omo mbeto abrofo nyum edem be nipa 5 bo mu nyina so mo rapio so mo ye de
ofashaka wala nyuma no de sing onya stone boy dey no de sing onya kwabna de no de ko
most make us 95% and I say me ha me ni ka sempa 98% to high life music
wow
kidi adina na ba ku bi de to akwabwa you want to say oya outshine akwabwa kakra wa say to you for
tumsa oto eja no
wa tiase no
no asama no foforo so
wo onyu foforo
and what's next yeah ko he
it's next you auditioning no ya select the next stage nkola ne beba no
dodo na ya say dey almost start program
ya select nipa 30 omo beba the next stage na nsa na be live shows no the first stage na nkola 30 no be outdoor mu na nsa ni ya san sonye omumu eyi ni part 12 ye etiefo say MC ka no unse ne mabet na ha no mu a ahwefo ni etiefo obi oho wo kitchen and wotie opese na ni TV ni de dadum TV
ba obe aduane
henti nti oye aduane ana so oye bibi kakra bata otie etiefo ni ahwefo Sunday way ye be mam ye de Jenny no say sister ye kwesi ade we
audition ya ye ni nyina
ya bobod bi dada enye ni nyina ne abo nti me so me pese obi a oba ye wa say na daje odi ba ye na akola no ye hu no nti ye be yi di aka ni nyina na mpanyimfo a omuta adwumadie ne chi so akyerɛkyerɛ mu yie
dwumadie ne so
nti kwesi ada we 5 o'clock na ya di ahyehyɛ so nti no
amanfo hwɛ sekwesi ada no mu a wo call audition ne bi
na mo nti ase di nti a ye tu sa na mo yi na afi so next week nso nkola 30 na ye yi omo no eno so ye de be den di se ne be ya ahwefo eni Ghana fo ebe hu omo na say ye start live shows na omo hu say akola we o ye yi na mpa we o ka ho nti no me twen ebi ana uba wom ebi ana students bi wom ana say akola bi o ko school ana say
classmates
hu no classic na bibia na Ghana for muma yen nyina yen son kolai mu
na yen time omo emra so say so kwasi ada we nonum na ye the auditions ye senti a de nsroma bre wo obehwe wadom TV so na watche na ye to aso na watumi ehunu na fe nipa aduasa no ye neoma nantimu a yi nipa dumienu na nsroma proper live e wadom TV from all the regions no omo aba be hia mu na fe ye baako na kwambia so me say most of the time you dey win no kra no ya second third fourth fifth wo mo no etumi shine kra ja dey win no nti ne sheda fa ho sa bebi abedi bia no ni problem ye hia so wa ba dom TV so woko wanim kra ye first ye to aso esan say Sandy wo dey ahose pe brew masters aye krado e na kwan paso aye krado Kofi Bentil aye krado e na Sandy Wendy Shea aye krado enti na no ye demu e de ama eye Sandy bi ye guy sister Sandy wo dey ahose pe mami ji ayon boy o mampanyin dada eye Mahama ne driver o si anape de ye kunu kra ye bubu no kodwo ye be bubu pa dom TV ukra na ukra sabe ye wa zo ye ya makra